Hello everybody, this video will be showing two different tools to test the spark plugs. This one, and you can see it's got two of them. You can test two at the same time. We'll get to this one shortly, but first let's go to the simple one here. This one you can test the spark plugs, and also you can test the ignition, if there is any ignition in the car, or like small engine like this one, any type of gasoline small engine. You can use this tool to test spark plugs, and I'll show you in a few seconds how you do that. But take a look to this simple tool. I'll put a link description down below so you can check where to buy this or this one. And so this one, you can see the spark plugs. You don't need to remove the spark plugs. It can stay just like this. And this one goes to the coil, to the spark plugs cable. So for example, very simple, this one goes one way here, and the other way goes here, just like this. And once you pull this one, you can see the sparks or the lights will light up here. So let's give it a try and take a look to the light, if there is any ignition or something. So you see, when I start pulling, you can see the light here. So now the engine is off, and you don't see any more light. But let's pretend this is car engine. So you put the switch on, and you're trying to start your car. So if you don't see any light here, that means something wrong with the cable, something wrong with the coil, something wrong maybe with the spark plugs, and so on. So that's how you diagnose spark plugs. Simple tool to check if there is any spark. So I'm gonna try again and take a look to this one when it's light up. So that's how you check this one. Very simple tools to check. Now this is the one very cool tool, very useful also. You can use, and it checks the spark plugs. And also you can see here the dial. You can start from up to 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5 and 6000. And so that's the maximum here. Okay, and that's how you tell. We'll check it out. So very simple tool. I got this one first from like AliExpress. It was about almost $30 or so, but I kind of played with it a little bit, and it's burned now. It does not work anymore. I had to fix it, but it needs some component, small electronic component, to get this one fixed. So I ordered another one, and here is called double channel spark plug tester. And this one, pretty much the same thing. It comes in a box like that, and there is an adapter for like Asian countries, 220 volt or so. And here in North America we use 110 volt or 120 volt. And very simple tools. Here's the manual how to use, and so simple, but this very useful actually. You can use it at home, you know, whether like a hobby or you're professional or fixing cars or so on. And very simple to use. Here's like written in Chinese and in English here. Okay, so the thing is this really cool. And here's the one I ordered, and it was kind of broke. This is the other one I ordered, pretty much the same thing. And however, this one, so Yeah, this one is got up to 5,000, and this one up to 6,000. So let's give it a try and see how this one works. Very simple. So just you need to plug this one to the outlet AC power, like that. Plug this one here, and now it's off. So the power is already in. As soon as I turn it on, you can hear the frequency. So the frequency sounds, it's got very high voltage anyway, signal. You hear that? Okay, so simple thing, once you pick up any, like I got so many spark plugs, those are anyway, like spark plugs, different manufacturer, different brands and so on, shapes, but the best of all maybe laser, iridium lasers, I think. And you can see that done so, some of them and so on. This is iridium, platinum, and this is platinum, and so on. But I hear the NGC, NGK. So that's NGK, and here is the one that's platinum also, Porsche. So that's platinum. But the spark plugs, simple way to, like as you see here, this is what the guy got mostly not working anymore. When you get a lot of corrosion and carbon, like a carbonate, black, dirt and stuff and oil and everything, over time, this will prevent from the sparking and causing the check engine light. If you see check engine light, check cylinder 4, cylinder 5, cylinder, that means the first thing you need to check is the spark plugs. It could be not very little spark or not even spark at all, and that's how you check it. So to check it, to see if there is any spark light up clearly and visibly, also with sound. So let's put one here just for now. So this one, let's try it. So here, watch what happened to this spark here. So if you see that's all the way to 5,000 now. You see this is, do not touch it. It's very, you got like terrible shock, a powerful shock. So you hear, so I'm just gonna turn the lights off so you can see the spark. So you can see the red or kind of a purple color of the spark. You can see there. That tells me the spark plug is working fine. But those numbers, the frequency here, is very important. If the spark plug's in good condition, it works fantastic. You don't need to go all the way to 5,000. So this one, well, let's go to the different one. Let's see this one here, the platinum. You can see this one. I'm just gonna turn the lights off so you can see. Off now, and if you can see any spark, I'm just gonna rotate the dial more. Okay. How you test the spark plugs? Very simple. You can also put two of them at the same time. Okay, now let's try this one. You can see those spark plugs, I don't have to go all the way to 4,000. They start work from 2,000. That tells me those spark plugs both in really good condition. You can see. And that's how you test spark plugs with this tester. Really wonderful tool, and I'll put link in the description below too, so you can buy it with discount up to $7. Please check out other videos in our multi-channel. You may like a video or so, and consider subscribe, like, and share. All the best, and hope to see you next video. Thank you.